So guys, we have cutted the comb and of the honeybees, and we are even done with the bee hunting, and it is really organic and even good for health. So now I'll show you guys how we will take out honey from this comb. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to our new video. So in today's video we are going to do bee hunting. So now I will share my equipment with you guys. So guys, because we are doing bee hunting, so we need safety equipment. So now I will share my safety equipments with you guys. So first of all, you need a bag that you can fit your equipments into there. Our first safety gadget is a bee hunting cap, and then we have gloves, full complete gloves that your hands can be covered. And then we need a jacket like to cover our body, because I have wear half sleeve shirt, so for covering our body we need a jacket. And the last equipment is a knife for the bee hunting, the main work. So guys, now I am ready, and now we will go to a forest to find a honeycomb. So what we are going to do, we are going to trace some honeybees at where they are going, and we will find their honeycomb. Let's go. So guys, at last finally we have found the honeycomb, and now I will show you the honeycomb, and I'll zoom it, and it's really like at a difficult area because it's a big tree. So guys, how you guys can see, there is the honeycomb, and I'm really excited for it. And now we'll do the bee hunting, so let's begin. So guys, now we have found out our honeycomb. So now we are going to make some smoke. So to make smoke we need some sticks and some dry grass. So now I'm going to cut some more sticks. So let's start. So guys, now I am completely covered, and now I will do the bee hunting. So let's begin. So guys, we have done the bee hunting. So guys, we have cutted the comb and of the honeybees, and we are even done with the bee hunting, and it is really organic and even good for health. So so now I'll show you guys how we will take out honey from this comb. How it is. So now I'll taste it. So guys, now I am going to taste the honey. What a premium taste, guys.